Houston, we have a problem. And that problem is 177 mile per hour gusts as Hurricane Laura makes landfall somewhere between Lake Charles and Houston. Now hundreds of thousands have been ordered to evacuate as Hurricane Laura is forecast to hit the Gulf Coast as a major Cat 3 storm. And we just showed you the models. Here's what you need to know. Hurricane Laura could become a major Cat 3, even Cat 4. Parts of Texas and Louisiana are evacuating before Laura arrives sometime Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Cuba suffered damage, but no casualties were reported. But this storm is intensifying as I speak. Laura is being compared with Hurricane Rita, which struck the same region in 2005. Hurricane forecasters expect one of the most active seasons on record. And there you can see Jim's tires boarding up. Many evacuations are happening right now. And we have some of those locations. City and county officials in Texas have issued evacuation orders affecting hundreds of thousands of residents, particularly those lying in low-lying areas. The orders, some of them voluntary, include parts of Orange, Jefferson, and Chambers counties, as well as Galveston, Texas, and the Texas A&M University campus in the city. Now, here is the track. Laura is going to hit somewhere just east of Houston, somewhere near the Texas-Louisiana state line. It is going to cause torrential flooding rains throughout Arkansas, and then it's move its way across the east, exiting somewhere near the Delmarva, where it may re-intensify as a tropical storm, bringing more rain to that region. Now, according to the National Hurricane Center's latest advisory, number 23A, maximum sustained winds at 75 miles per hour, Cat 1 hurricane. And you can see here wind speed probabilities, tropical storm wind probabilities as it moves up here and over and then redevelops off the east coast potentially. You're going to have tropical storm winds way inland, hundreds of miles. And not only that, torrential rain, 6 to 15 inches in Louisiana expected, 4 to 10 inches in most of Arkansas. Take a look at that. Some heavy rain also in the mountains of West Virginia and in the Appalachians in general. So some much needed relief here is the greatest flash flood risks over the next 3 days. You can walk it through daily here. Clearly, this is going to be the biggest impact Friday morning from the storm. Now, over at Windy, we'll just run this model through, bring you back to now and the current position, and just watch how quick Laura intensifies. Just a few hours from now, in fact, later this evening, Laura could potentially be already at Cat 2 strength, with winds gusting to 115, and then it rapidly increases in size and stature here. Take a look at midday Wednesday with gusts of 153 miles per hour there at the eye wall, according to the model. So very strong storm is developing. It's moving further and further west, and the models are showing a stronger and stronger storm at landfall. So here it is after landfall, and you could see 163 mile per hour gusts on land. This could be potentially catastrophic for this entire region, from Lake Charles to Houston. Houston, we have a problem. And then it's going to continue inland and saturate the U.S. As we run the model, you can see here, take a look, the storm is moving all the way inland, still with hurricane force winds here. So we have a huge storm developing, and you need to prepare now. Cat 3 or 4 is expected, devastating to catastrophic. Sometime Wednesday night to Thursday, it will begin from Houston to Lake Charles, and that's just the beginning. Here we are midday Thursday. The storm is now inland near Shreveport with 110 mile an hour gusts. Proper prior planning prevents piss poor performance when you're about to get dumped on. Now is the time to prepare. Do not wait. Hurricane Laura is coming. Be safe. We love you.